Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style screw head unit special for Dodge Ram 2013 to 2019 is. Okay, let me do unbox review. Okay, let me open the box. This is harness and canvas box. Okay, this is special head unit. Let me show harness it first. Okay. You can check this special harness for Dodge Ram. Plug and play, and you can check this camera rear input adapter. This connect to canvas box. This video input left and right. And this IR, this amplifier, this stereo control, K1 and K2. Okay, let me connect the canvas box. This is canvas box, you can check. Okay. Connecting the canvas box. Okay. And this original USB adapter. This is GPS antenna. This is USB to USB cable. And this is Wi-Fi antenna. This is AV input, and camera input, video input, and this side camera input, audio input, AUX input left and right, RC type, and back wire. This camera 12 voltage wire. Okay. And this radio antenna. You can check the radio antenna. It's power 12 voltage. This audio out, and this subwoofer output, RC type. This RC type front left, front rear left and right. This AMP power 12 voltage. Okay. And this small speaker connect this position on the harness. Connect it. Okay. And this microphone, external microphone. Okay, let me show you it. This is the head unit. And you can check the back of header units. This AC adapter connects factory AC plug, and this is GPS radio antenna, this HDMI, this Wi-Fi antenna, and audio, this is power. Okay, let me connect the power cable on back. Okay, the header unit will be started. Okay, just restart the header unit because I checked the power. Okay, this front UI interface, you can check. Okay, this is special header unit for Dodge RAM. Okay, let me show header unit. This AC information. Brightness. No recent item. This radio. Music. All apps are here. This is the link app for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android. You can download the application from Play Store. Okay, this DSP amplifier settings. Let me check the settings. Date and time, language, DSP amplifier, and this back button, user setting. You can check user setting, split screen, yes, volume, tracking light, pattern, sound, speed, time. This stereo control decoder by canvas box. This DSP amplifier. You can adjust the brightness. This settings, you can connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi, and Google, video, settings, and about tablet you can check PX6 Android 9 system. Storage total 64 GB. This Play Store, you can connect the Play Store and you can visit our website belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. And it's built in the microphone, this microphone, and this reset hole, this dangerous button. Okay, let me check are there, you can this console settings, this phone link, this easy connection. This is the link for wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.